Good morning everyone. This is Science Standard 6 video number 3. We are studying chapter 11 light, shadow and reflection. Okay, first of all I will tell you about reflection dear, that the reflection is the change in the direction of wave. Okay, reflection is enhanced in the metal by suppression of wave propagation beyond their skin depth. Now, reflection by a plane mirror. Okay, a flat mirror that is most common. Okay, that is plane mirror. We see our images in the plane mirror, and the image which is formed in a mirror is called a virtual mirror. Actually, it is not forming the real image. It is a virtual image. It is formed. So we will see about the uses of plane mirror now. Okay, here's are some uses of the plane mirror. Okay, first use of the plane mirror, it is used as a looking glass. Okay, how it is used in the looking glass, you can see here a person is standing in front of a mirror and seeing his face. Okay, in our daily day-to-day life we see our face only in front of a mirror, that how we look like, some problem is there not. Okay, so it is used as a uh, looking glass. Okay, second use of the plane mirror is it is used in the solar cooker. Here you can see this is the solar cooker dear. Okay, this is the solar cooker. It takes the sunlight. Here is the plane mirror installed. It takes the sunlight and reflect to the metal and it gives heat to them. Okay, here the plane mirror is kept there and the food is made in this plane mirror. Okay, the third one is it is used in the construction of periscope, which is used in the submarines. Okay, you can see here this is the periscope. Here the plane mirrors are there, two plane mirrors are there. Okay, upside and downside, where a child is seeing his face. This is the one plane mirror. Okay, and downside also one plane mirror is there. Okay, so this is used in the periscope. And another use of the plane mirror is the in the kaleidoscope. This is the kaleidoscope in which you can see in kaleidoscope. I am telling you about the kaleidoscope. Here the kaleidoscope is there. This is the kaleidoscope. Okay, here inside three plane mirrors are kept. Three plane mirrors are kept here. So plane mirrors are used in the kaleidoscope, periscopes, okay, and pressure cooker, looking glass. All of these the plane mirrors are used. Now we have to study about the periscope here. Periscope is a device used to see over a people's head in a crowd. Okay, you can see here about the periscope. Periscope is an optical device for conducting observation from a concealed protected position. Okay, you can see here is construction. Okay, here two plane mirrors are kept and a person can see behind the wall. Okay, now normally you cannot see this object, but when you see from the periscope, okay, when you will see light will here the light will come on from the tree. Okay, they will reflect and this light again will be reflected to the another mirror and it goes to your eyes and you can watch this image of an uh, tree which is behind the wall. Okay, it is used in the submarine also. Okay, in a war. Okay, in a military and naval purposes is used. Okay, it is this is the submarine which is found inside the water. They travel, they moves inside the water and through the periscope they see whether any ship is coming of the enemy or not, and they protect it from with the help of the periscope. Now the another one is the kaleidoscope dear. This is the kaleidoscope. Kaleido Kaleido Kaleidoscope. This is a kaleidoscope. Okay, what is kaleidoscope? Kaleidoscope is a also a device, means you can say this is a toy also and device also. So based on the multiple reflection or by mirror inclined at an angle. Here you can see three mirrors are there, first, second and third. This one, this side is there, third, three mirrors are there. What happened, this is the outer, from the outside you will see the kaleidoscope, it will look like that. From the inside you will see it will look like that, three mirrors. And broken bangles, we put it inside the broken bangles. Okay. uh, and when you will move it, the round structure is there. When we will move the round structure, you can see different images are formed, like that, different type of images are formed. Okay, reflection, multiple reflection and designs are formed. These designs are used to make the designs on the clothes also there. Okay, so here the periscope is a kaleidoscope is made. So thank you, thank you.